In this video, I'm going to give you my copy and paste strategy that I used to make over $33,158 with the Kartra affiliate program in just 7 months of promoting Kartra. In my country, that equates to about R500,000, but of course I work in dollars on my channel, so that's about $33,158 that I've earned so far. And in this video, I'm going to show you and give to you my done for you pages that literally did all of the work for me, converted all my traffic into Kartra sales, and got me tons of commissions. And now today, I earn $4,000 every single month from the Kartra affiliate program from efforts that I've put in back months ago. So this is a monthly recurring affiliate platform that pays every single month. And that's why I highly recommend, if you want to get into affiliate marketing, pay attention to what I'm about to teach you. Make sure to leave a like on this video. If you really enjoy my videos, I would really appreciate that because it really pumps me up to see you guys enjoy my videos and get a lot of value. I really love to see positive comments on my channel because it pumps me up and it really drives me to continue to bring out content for you guys on a daily basis. So without further ado, make sure to comment down below everything that you have, a question that you have, or any kind of query that you might have. Because I heart and reply to every single comment, you're also welcome to follow me on Instagram over here, and you can message me on my DMs and I reply to every single DM. And also, make sure that you subscribe with the notification bell so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. Straight into my PC, over here, we are on Kartra's homepage. The first step that you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says affiliate program. Click on affiliate program over here. It will take you to the page where you can join the affiliate program, and make sure to read through this page carefully. Our program pays 40% of every sale and reoccurring payments generated by your referrals during the membership to Kartra. You can also join the JVZoo network, where you can get a network of affiliates who are ready to crush it with Kartra, and you can sign up as a second tier JVZoo partner and earn 10% of life every sale and their recurring payments. What this means is, if you refer someone to Kartra, you get 40%. If that person earns someone to Kartra as well, you get 10% of their 40%, which is crazy. So let's say they get $40, you get $4 extra every single month. I love this affiliate program because it pays 2 levels. That's double the amount of passive income that you can earn from this. Click on the big affiliate sign up button. It will load up with a page like this. Click on I accept, and your affiliate link is ready, just like that. You don't have to spend money to become an affiliate with Kartra. Just click on access your account over here, and you can get your affiliate link. The next step is, take a look at this page that I'm going to give to you at the end of this video. I give away over $5,200 worth of high quality bonuses to help you succeed with Kartra. Why should you join my affiliate link? Well, because I'm giving you $5,000 worth of bonuses. This you can use as a hook to get people to sign up through your Kartra affiliate link. But you'll see when I click on this, it will ask your leads to enter the email to unlock your epic bonuses. So what this means is you've captured their email address, and I send out people 20 emails every day for 20 days promoting the Kartra affiliate program, getting them back to the Kartra affiliate program, which has increased my conversion rate by well over 30%. So I really recommend watch until the end so that you can get this and do this yourself. I'm going to show you how I promoted this as well. Once they sign in their email on this page, it's going to take them to this page where they can actually view every single bonus. Take a look at this. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3. I give the instructions over here to claim all these epic bonuses. All you need to do is click on the button below, and they'll be sent over 6 hours after you've signed up. Over here, you can see you've got bonus 1, 2, 3, a done for you ticket product funnel, the done for you Kartra affiliate funnel, which is this funnel I'm going through right now, the done for you affiliate advertorial funnel, Kartra video training, done for you affiliate bridge funnel, tons of other bonuses as well, at a total value of $5,267. And once these bonuses are sent over, you will land on a membership area that looks like this, where you can get all your bonuses. So over here, there's a welcome video, and there's a section over here that teaches you how to import your done for you campaigns and all your bonuses, and a free Kartra training as well. You've got your bootcamp over here, a TikTok marketing bonus, and an Instagram ad bonuses with tons of bonuses. And remember, when you import that done for you Kartra affiliate funnel, this membership area will already be made for you to promote to your affiliates, to get them into your membership area, to keep them as a Kartra affiliate and as a well-trusted lead to get sales from them every single month. It's very powerful. Think about it. if you go out onto Facebook and you tell someone, hi there, if you join my Kartra affiliate team where you can build done for you online businesses and funnels, I will give you over $5,000 worth of my businesses and funnels that generates me $100 per day for you to get started. Kartra only costs $1 for the trial for 14, and you have a 30-day option. From thereafter, it's $99 a month. But you're getting over $5,000 of bonuses with this. Of course, it's going to attract people's attention and they're going to want to sign up, or at least for the first trial to get their credit card information, which will then give you affiliate commissions every single month. I'm going to give you this done for you funnel over here right now, and then I'm going to show you how to promote it, so make sure to pay attention to this. Firstly, come over to the first link in the description. It will take you to this page. Don't worry, you don't have to buy Kartra. I'm giving it to you. You don't have to buy Kartra. And you're going to sign up with your email. The reason why you need to put your email is in here is because all those bonuses are sent to your email, the login to that membership. So you need to enter that over here on this page. Just click on this button over here. Don't worry, you don't have to buy Kartra. You don't have to do anything. Just click on this button like this. It will take you to Kartra over here. Just wait for a couple of seconds. It will take up the Kartra page. Just close it again. And after 6 hours, those bonuses will be sent to you and you can go and use those bonuses on Kartra. Once you've got to your bonuses over here, this is what you need to do. You just need to come over to your Kartra dashboard over here, click on my affiliate promos over here, and you can grab your affiliate link to Kartra. And all you want to do is you just want to set up this button. It's on this page over here to your affiliate link. Make sure you set this button to your affiliate link, which you can do. Then quickly, before we continue to get tons of traffic and commissions with this, again, come over to home.kartra.com/Kartranaut/index. This is an entire Kartranaut training program that I've put together for you, or that Kartra's put together for you, that will teach you how to build pages, how to connect the links to your buttons, how to build membership areas, and how to become a successful affiliate for Kartra. So I would recommend take this as well after this video. I will leave a link down below in the description to this for you as well. Next thing you need to do is I'm going to show you an amazing free way that I use to get a lot of traffic with this. And then I'm going to show you my paid strategy that I use to blow up in sales and make over 10K a month. So all you need to do is I just came over to YouTube and I created a whole Kartra training playlist. So take a look at this. If I click on Kartra training over here, I've got over 40 videos just teaching people how to use Kartra, how to build landing pages, how to build membership areas, how to build email campaigns, how to build an online business, how to set up sequences. All I do is, while teaching people this for free on YouTube, I just leave an affiliate link down below and I tell people, if you want to get to Kartra, go and claim all these $5,000 bonuses. Those $5,000 bonuses play a huge role in how I've been able to get to over 10K a month with this tool. I can promise you, if I didn't set this funnel up with all these bonuses, I wouldn't have probably even made 10K today in my first 7 months. Those bonuses really hook a lot of people into joining Kartra, so that's why I recommend use that. Then the next thing that I did was I came over to the Drop Servicing University Bootcamp and I use this full Google Ads training over here. So it teaches you the secret success to Google Ads, free Google Ads coupons with over $600, creating a Google Ads account and optimizing that for success, understanding the Google account structure, Google Ads keyword match types optimized for this, researching and finding keywords optimized for this, saving money with negative keywords, and I actually build a live Google ad for you and generate profits from that for you live in this bootcamp. So all you need to do is, if you want to get access to all of this, you can click on the first link in the description. It will ask you for a name and email to get access and insight into this, and it will show you a free training, and from there you'll be able to check out with this entire Drop Servicing University and get access to this Drop Servicing, Google Ads and Kartra affiliate winning Google Ads combo. This I use to personally generate about $10,000 to $30,000 a month just from Google Ads doing this. So I really recommend go and take this, and this can be life-changing information. But without further ado, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you got tons of value. Make sure to go down below to claim all of this, and also click on this playlist over here. I will leave my entire Kartra playlist training for you here on YouTube, which has about 40 videos. If you want to go and check that out, get ideas that you can use, or use my trainings over there to succeed with yourself at Kartra. But without further ado, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.